So this kaupapa is about restoring cultural practices, particularly around tukutuku, for the purpose of ensuring that our whānau can actually be the ones that are creating the tukutuku that will be in our wharenui one day. So this year is building on the Wānanga of last year. Last year we went to Mangarako, Matapihi, Tahora, and we harvested resources for tukutuku, kēkē, pīngao. And so this year we're building on those other elements that we use to create tukutuku. This is really about ensuring that we are building a base of whānau who can start passing this mātauranga on to their tamariki and their mokopuna and the new groups of whānau that are coming on.
I've never really explored outside whakatū. Yeah, my world was really whakatū and rangitoto. Patience and road to come as well. And so it's really cool that she got to come this time because she can help me instead of, it's a kind of reverse role. Yeah, I think I'll be following Patience's lead because I'm not as creative as she is.
So we're sort of ideally looking for a piece that's going to hold the same size, so that when we put it together we don't have kind of lopsided tukutuku. So toetoe is used in tukutuku as the vertical panels known as kākaho. So kākaho is the stem and of the toetoe plant. What we're after is the kākaho, and that's the same name used for the back of the tukutuku. And there'll be different types that are a bit more green, as you can see the different colours that come through, and as it dries it'll go sort of off golden. So essentially we don't want to really pick the green ones, want to leave those and go for the golden ones, but they will dry the same.
Yeah, I follow Ngāti Kuia and Rangitane, watch all their stuff, and this is probably the first Wānanga that I've been like, I really, really want to do that. Yeah, also I love the arts and wanted to get into weaving for quite a while, so yeah, I was really excited when the opportunity came up.
There's so many layers to the learning, so it's not just about actually going out and, like you said before, going to collect resources and stuff. It's about all of the things that come with it, the pūrākau, the whakapapa, the connections, and just finding out some of those stories that you didn't know when you went into it.
So yeah, a lot of the pūrākau were ways that our tipuna passed on information. The stories that we tell regarding tāne mahuta, tangaroa, and their connection to pīngao and toetoe, and the whakapapa that lies within, that's all connected to a way of passing on the knowledge of not only respecting these resources, but as a roadmap to where we might find them, how we might understand how they live within the environment and how they depend on one another.
I think probably one of the coolest things
that's come out of this is like our friendship, how we've actually connected, and Cindy and all of us, and we've got to know each other a lot better. So for me, that's probably the coolest thing that's come out of this is the friendships that we've had with the other ladies. And
so I think that's probably for me too. It's that the importance of whānanga and connections, because we're in such busy lives, but we all make the time to come here. We make the time to connect.
So raupō is such a taonga is used in its entirety. Most commonly known for its for making poi raupō that we use the base for, but also a mahinga kai. The roots are edible. The pollen was used to make a type of cake. The entire piece can be used for all sorts of things. Amazing taonga resource. It grows in our wairepo, so abundant in the wetlands. I've never had the opportunity to try it, but keen to do it one day. A lot of whānau, I think, probably looked at the Wānanga as an opportunity to create tukutuku and thought we would probably be sitting at desks and weaving. But for me, it's all about the preparation. It's about connecting to these resources as taonga. It's about getting on the whenua and actually connecting with the taiao.
For me, the other special part, I think, is having Auntie Girl here and just hearing her stories, even if they're little things on the side, and just tapping into her, mātauranga and everything that she knows.
I think having our kaumātua, especially my nana, she has the ability to be brutally honest and people still laugh.